Pipe A fills a tank in 8 hours, pipe B fills it in 4 hours. How long will it take if both are open? So may video tayo kung saan sinagot natin to using the shortcut na product over sum. So in this video, papakita natin yung pag-solve talaga ng work problem na to without using the product over sum. Kung gusto ninyong makita yung product over sum, nandito lang sa ating page. So kaka-upload ko lang. So this is the long process para mas maintindihan niyo kung paano talaga i-solve itong work problem. So this is an example of work problem. So si pipe A daw, kaya niyang punuin ng tank in 8 hours. Si pipe B, kaya niyang punuin in 4 hours. So gaano katagal mapupuno ang isang tangke kung open silang dalawa. Okay, so work problem, always remember rate equals work over time. So ang work that is considered as the one whole job, yung isang buong job, yan yung work over time. So now, si pipe A fills a tank in 8 hours. So kay pipe A, one job, kaya niya in 8 hours. So therefore, ang rate ni A ay 1 over 8. Ang rate naman ni pipe B is 1 over 4. Dahil kaya niyang punuin ang isang tangke sa loob ng 4 na oras. So ganyan yung kanilang rate, dalawa. Ngayon, kung open silang dalawa, gaano katagal? So yun yung question, kung silang dalawa yung open. So first, let's add their rate para makuha natin yung combined rate nilang dalawa. So 1/8 plus 1/4 equals, so list common denominator 8. 8 divided by 8, 1 times 1, 1 plus 8 divided by 4, 2 times 1, 2 equals 1 plus 2, 3 over 8. So this is their combined rate. Rate nilang dalawa, combined rate. Now, ang hinahanap is how long. So yung time. So if the formula for rate is work over time, then the formula for time is work over rate. Therefore, we divide yung work is the one tank, yan yung one whole job, yung one tank, over 3 over 8. 3 over 8. So, divide whole number na 1 over 3/8 na fraction. So, dahil divide, we simply get the reciprocal of 3/8 magiging 8 over 3. Okay? Now, simplify 8 over 3. So, 8 divided by 3, 2, 6, 2 times 3, 6, minus 8 minus 6, 2, 2 and 2/3. Ayan. So, therefore, the final answer is 2 and 2/3.